two, three. There are three zebras.
Bye, zebra. Take care.
This lion is hungry.
Rocky doesn't like tiger. Does he like lion?
No, he doesn't, I guess.
Where are we going?
We're going to another zoo. It starts here. Watch your step.
No. Look. These are some monkeys.
No, they're not monkeys. They're koalas.